Hi there, I'm Isko, your friendly guide from DILG. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process and help explain DILG Memorandum Circulars, so you know what to do, why it matters, and how to comply. Imagine yourself enjoying a holiday at a beach resort. The sun is shining, the waves are calm, and everything feels perfect. But then, you notice something. A government vehicle parked at a beach resort on a holiday.
Is that allowed?
Under DILG Memorandum Circular No. 2026-011, effective February 6, 2026, the use of government-owned vehicles on Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays is strictly prohibited unless the use is directly connected to official functions or duties. This directive applies to all elected and appointed local officials, the DILG Central, Regional, and Field personnel, and DILG-attached agencies. Let's be clear. No personal use, no private errands, no leisure trips, and no family outings even during weekends and holidays. Government vehicles are for official government business only. Violations may result in administrative liability and/or criminal liability. Public resources are funded by the people and must be used only for lawful and official purposes. Discipline in small things builds integrity in public service. Once again, this is Isko, because in public service, accountability matters every day, even on holidays.